What is freelancing? Freelancing is a way to work independently and offer your services to clients on a project-by-project basis, rather than working as an employee for a company. Some common types of freelancing work include writing, editing, graphic design, web development, and photography. To start freelancing, you will need to identify your skills and areas of expertise, and then find ways to market yourself to potential clients. This can include creating a website or online portfolio, joining freelancing platforms or job marketplaces, networking with other professionals, and bidding on projects. Once you have found a client, you will typically negotiate the terms of the project, including the scope of work, timeline, and payment. As a freelancer, you are responsible for managing your own time and workload, as well as handling your taxes and other business-related tasks. Platforms for freelancers. There are many platforms that freelancers can use to find work, including Upwork, a popular platform that connects freelancers with businesses in need of a wide range of skills, including writing, editing, graphic design, and web development. Fiverr, a platform that allows freelancers to offer their services in a variety of categories, including marketing, design, and video. Freelancer, a platform that allows freelancers to bid on projects in a variety of categories, including writing, programming, and data entry. People Per Hour, a platform that connects freelancers with businesses in need of short-term or one-off projects. LinkedIn, while not specifically a freelancing platform, LinkedIn is a great resource for finding freelance work. Many businesses use LinkedIn to find and hire freelancers, and the site also has job listings for freelancers. One of the benefits of freelancing is the flexibility it offers to set your schedule and work from anywhere. However, it can also be challenging to find consistent work and manage the financial ups and downs that come with project-based income. It's important to be proactive in marketing yourself and managing your business and to have a plan in place for handling slow periods. Which are the benefits of freelancing? Flexibility. Freelancers can set their schedules and work from anywhere. This can be especially appealing for those who want the freedom to choose when and where they work. Variety. Freelancers often have the opportunity to work on a diverse range of projects and to gain experience in different industries. This can be a great way to build a varied portfolio and keep things interesting. Control. Freelancers have more control over the projects they take on and the clients they work with. This can be empowering and allow you to shape your career in a way that aligns with your interests and goals. Potential for higher pay. In some cases, freelancers may be able to earn more than they would as an employee, especially if they have specialized skills or experience. Independence. Freelancers are their bosses and are responsible for managing their own time and workload. This can be rewarding for those who enjoy the autonomy and responsibility that comes with entrepreneurship. In addition, here are a few more things to consider when it comes to freelancing. Setting rates. As a freelancer, you will need to determine how much to charge for your services. Factors to consider when setting your rates include the complexity of the work, the level of expertise required, and the going rate for similar services in your industry. Building a client base. Finding new clients is an ongoing process for most freelancers. In addition to networking and bidding on projects, you can also build your client base by offering excellent service to your existing clients and asking for referrals. Managing finances. As a freelancer, you are responsible for managing your finances, including setting aside money for taxes and saving for slow periods. It's a good idea to keep track of your income and expenses and to have a system in place for invoicing and getting paid. Protecting your work. It's important to have a clear understanding with your clients about ownership and use of the work you create. Consider using contracts or written agreements to spell out the terms of the project and to protect your rights as a creator. Staying organized. Freelancing can involve juggling multiple projects and clients at once. Staying organized and keeping good records can help you manage your workload and keep your business running smoothly. What is the future of freelancing? Freelancing has become increasingly popular in recent years, and this trend will likely continue in the future. The growth of the gig economy and the increasing availability of online platforms and tools have made it easier for freelancers to find work and for businesses to hire them. Overall, the future of freelancing is likely to be shaped by a combination of technological, economic, and societal factors. Freelancers need to stay informed and adaptable to thrive in this changing landscape. In conclusion, freelancing is a way to work independently and offer your services to clients on a project-by-project basis. It can offer a great deal of flexibility and control, as well as the potential for higher pay. However, it can also be challenging to find consistent work and to manage the financial ups and downs that come with project-based income.